IPOB.
One family.
IPOB.
One family.
One family.
IPOB. Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another savior.
I catch you good, yeah? Tomorrow. Wonderful counselor. The most powerful, influential, freedom-fighting outfit anywhere on this planet. Sure. If you doubt me, get up and say, over my dead body will Biafra come. That same period, you have signed your death warrant because you were That is why we are without fear before our enemies. And that's how it's going to remain until Biafra comes and beyond. There is nothing anybody can do about it. IPOB is a nightmare to criminals, yes, to political armed robbers, yes, to deceivers and to liars. Yes. After 30th of May, is anybody here in doubt? No. One single order, one single command, and there was absolute obedience. Yes. 100% command. That's why we say command and control in IPOB. Yes. On the 30th of May, you saw command and control at work.
Yes, sir.
You can see that the enemies are in disarray. Yes. In the north. They are going crazy. As I told them they will. There will come a time they will say to me, take these people and go and leave us alone. Is it not beginning to happen now?
It's happening. It has happened.
I told you people many years ago that a day will come, they will ask you to leave the north. Yes. I said it in August of 2009. By the grace of the Most High, we see things that other people cannot see. Yes. Anybody still harboring any doubt about the authenticity, the viability of the coming of Biafra, that means you are less than an animal. I have no doubt about this Biafra that we are pursuing. Because Chukwuka Biafra said so. That Biafra must come. I said Biafra must come on this. Not too far from here was the last headquarters of Biafra in my ancestral land. From this same land has Biafra risen never to fall again. This kingdom of heaven will last for over 1,000 years. I can assure you. So you're not wasting your time. I remember when we started, they said we're wasting our time. You're going out to protest and they're killing you. And we said to them that the blood of those that fell at National High School, those that fell on the road, those that fell at Iguacha, those that died at Enugu, those that died at Mpo, those that died at Headbridge, those that died in Asaba. We are doing this thing because of them. So that their death will not be in vain. Anytime you're doing whatever thing you're doing in IPOB, remember those that died because of you. Both for the China Senate system, nobody will listen to you. How church I get so I got IPOB meeting. I get back at you. You know, men and me, but you don't want to learn how to meet. People have died because of this. That is why I said to our following, we have crossed the Rubicon. There's no going back. Yes. So instead of us to go back, every living thing will die. Yes. Those that know me know that I do not entertain any fear before anybody. I'm moving. I will want to know. You represent the light.
Yes.
You hate your one. Yes. Hate your one. Then I hold. This Biafra that I lead has only one outcome. That is freedom. You see that flag flying over there? Before the entrance to the sitting room. That's the flag I told you. It is either that flag is flying that way or I'm inside the grave. That's what I said.